Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make informed decisions on the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the best continuously mist spray bottle on the market, the FLAIROSOL Continuous Mister. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast, a plant lover, or someone who loves to keep their home sparkling clean, this is the perfect multi-purpose spray bottle for all your needs. First things first, let's talk about what makes the FLAIROSOL stand out. This Dutch-designed spray bottle is not like any ordinary sprayer. It features advanced pre-compression technology that delivers an ultra-fine mist with every pull of the trigger. Unlike traditional spray bottles, the mist is continuous, meaning you won't have to repeatedly press the trigger. It keeps going, providing a steady, consistent spray of water, which lasts for about a second with each full press. The FLAIROSOL is ideal for a variety of uses. In the beauty world, it's perfect for hairstyling, whether you're trying to hydrate your curls or need an even mist for styling. It's also great for plant care, providing the right level of moisture for your indoor garden. The fine mist allows for a gentle spray, ensuring your plants get the hydration they need without excess water pooling at the base. You can even use it for facial misting, making it perfect for a refreshing break during your skincare routine. Home cleaning tasks have never been easier either. The FLAIROSOL ensures even coverage for cleaning surfaces. And the 360-degree spray feature means you can spray from any angle, making it a breeze to reach those tricky spots. It's not just about convenience, but also the comfort of use. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue, so you can spray for longer without discomfort. One of the best features is its leak-proof design. The bottle comes with a secure threaded mouth and seal, meaning you don't have to worry about any liquid spilling out while you're on the go. The FLAIROSOL is also lightweight, and with a capacity of 300 milliliters, it's large enough to handle all your tasks while being easy to carry around. In terms of sustainability, this spray bottle is made from durable PET plastic, and it's refillable, which makes it an environmentally friendly option. You can even create your own liquid blends for personal use, whether that's a homemade cleaning solution or a refreshing mist for your face. The FLAIROSOL Continuous Mister is incredibly versatile, making it a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient spray bottle. From styling your hair to taking care of your plants, cleaning your home, or even pet grooming, this spray bottle truly does it all. And remember, it's designed to last, so you'll be using it for a long time to come. So, if you're ready to upgrade your spray game, the FLAIROSOL Continuous Mister is the way to go. It's simple, effective, and perfect for anyone looking for a top-tier spray bottle. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd use the FLAIROSOL for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.